Unboxing my new anti-static gun, and it's the NEXION from Celtic. So this is a South Korean company that I've been watching for a little while now, and I'm really pleased to be collaborating with them on it. They put quite a bit of information in here for you, a little caution sheet. Basically it says make sure you use a water and oil separator with it. Do not leave the NEXION in high temperature environments like a heated spray booth. Handle with care, obviously. A lot of this is self-explanatory. Don't drop it, impact, etc. Use the NEXION when the green light is on, steady illumination. That means it's working effectively. Let me just move this aside and show you the actual NEXION. So the final point on there is if there's a decrease in the performance of the NEXION, all you need to do is undo this cap, which I'll undo gently, and you just clean off that little point there, the discharge pin. But be gentle with it. So, the NEXION itself, you have a little toggle on the side here, which adjusts your airflow. And let me just show you, it does tell you this in here. So it is ATEX approved 2014-34 EU to zone 2 of hazardous areas. But that little toggle on the side there adjusts your pressure, and you want it to be ideally between 3 to 6 bar. Too much pressure and you can damage the turbine. And the effective range for using this tool is between 20 and 40 centimeters. Any more information you need, you can find in this easy to follow instruction manual. There's your certification as well on the back there. Right, the gun itself, like I said, it's lightweight, it's compact. You do not need to charge it up. It's not one of these rechargeable units. Oh, look, that's nice. They put damage undone on the back. All you need to do is plug your airline into it. And to do so, they have provided you with 2 airline adapters to suit your airline system. Plug it in and then pull the trigger back. And on here, you have a LED light which will illuminate. When it's green, you're working at optimum efficiency, and that's when you're going to be eliminating any static on your panel. What's also great with it is you've got a little holder. It's a magnetic holder, so it can go on the outside of your booth or in a cupboard. If you want it in your booth, like I said, it can't be a heated booth. Do not leave this in a heated booth. They don't recommend it. It's just, you know, some of the temperatures heats can get up to. It's not worth risking to having it in there. So stick it on, off you go. Now I look forward to putting this to great use. This is the adapter that fits mine. You don't need to put any PTFE tape on it because it actually has an O-ring on the bottom there which is going to seal it.